it's JB.
You probably know us from J. Michael's Spa and Salon. We look a little different than we do normally.
Kara is gonna do my makeup blindfolded, which we do makeup differently anyway, so it's gonna be interesting to see when I turn out. So yeah, stay tuned if you wanna see something interesting, I
Or
guess.
a disaster.
Right, either way.
We'll see.
Right? I got it.
Get it.
Can you
Okay.
see?
No, not at
How
all.
many fingers am I
I
holding
see
up?
the ring light in my closed eyes. Like everywhere.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes just to give Kara a little bit, as she knocks everything over. Give Kara a little bit of push.
I don't know what's primer and what's... Okay, that's foundation.
So we're gonna get started.
This feels like primer. Oh, that's not primer. That's a spray.
Like I said, Kara and I do makeup differently anyway. She's definitely like a shimmery goddess.
Glittery.
And I am actually like a really, really low-key makeup person anyway on myself, so.
Just gonna do this with our hands. Just, you know, tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap.
I feel like you still have more like on your hands.
I do. It's priming my hand. It's fine.
And I've actually only ever had my makeup done like twice, so this is even funnier. 'Cause
Wonderful.
I feel weird.
Just what a makeup
general.
artist loves to hear.
So I feel like funny in general. You just messed up the timer.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh. I thought that twisted. It does not. Oh my god, I'm probably...
Oh, this is gonna fall.
Oh shit.
This is the funniest thing.
I
wish you all could like see. I hope you are getting everything because it's really cracking me up. So
Who knows what's
much
on this beauty
foundation.
blender? Who knows? I don't know. They do.
Oh my god.
Oh, I feel it now. I don't feel like I got it. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. You just want to get the whole face area. Just the whole, you know.
Clients really love it when you just like feel their entire face while you're doing this.
Aggressively massage it into the face. Oh god, there's still more on there. No. I went too far. Okay, into the eye, but not in the eye. Oh, that was in the eye.
A little
I
bit.
apologize.
It's alright.
It's okay. You'll live. It's fine. That's, I don't know what, oh, that's your nose.
And that was your finger inside of my nose.
In your nose. We're closer now because of this. That's, okay, we're done with that.
So naturally follow all of these steps to the T and you'll be
A-okay. If you know, don't blindfold yourself while you do this, but
No.
maybe a friend.
At least you're still gentle. I feel like I'm gonna not be gentle. Like if I didn't know you're blindfolded, I would still kind of think that this was like
If
normal.
you had just closed your eyes and
Yeah.
you didn't know, oh, where'd your face go? And you didn't know what a makeup artist is supposed to do,
Right. I feel like I would think this was normal.
this would be normal.
Except the little like touch right before you.
Just to make sure I'm where
On
I'm
my
supposed
face.
to be. Oh, there's a cheek. Okay.
Yeah, that was my nose you were trying to
For a
like,
while
plow over.
there. Yeah.
Is this easier or harder than you thought it was gonna be?
Easier?
Really?
I mean, I don't know what it's gonna look like though. So, you know, it feels like it's great.
Your inner Beyonce's like, yeah. Sorry, I shouldn't have talked.
And don't lick your brushes, ladies.
Oh,
You don't want to do that. Cross-contamination. It's not good.
I think you got it.
Okay, I got it.
Powdered and ready to go.
Okay. Oh, this is blush, yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm not telling you. I'll smile
That
for
is
you.
a cheek.
I'll smile for
That
you.
is a cheek. And just, you know, because I like it, just more blush. I couldn't tell which one it was. Oh no. Where did all my brushes go? Okay, that's not what I want. This is what I want. Okay. Oh no, I don't know which one it is.
I like how you're like in your brain trying to remember like what color is on what palette.
Oh no, that's not gonna be good.
When you're packing on the highlight.
Yeah, just it's summertime, ladies. We want to be glowing. J-Lo glow. Okay. Oh God, eyes. Ah. That feels like a...
Kara's trying really hard because she knows that I like rusts and oranges and reds. So she picked Naked Heat, but it also
But
is going to be really dangerous.
Which one I'm going with. You know, we're just gonna go here. We're going in.
Oh my God.
Oh no, it's bad already, I know.
Oh my God.
It's fine.
Okay.
Fine. It's fine. Oh, I'm never gonna get back to that one now. Okay, and just a little. Oh no, that's in your eyebrow.
I'm trying so hard not to just like start crying.
I don't know which one I'm using. Oh, this is upsetting. Oh no.
Oh my God, I'm dead. Dead. How much time do you have left? You have 3 minutes.
I'm moving along. This is such an easy routine for your makeup in the morning.
And you're using the same
Oh,
brush.
I am. I didn't mean to do that. But I'm committed. I'm committed. I can't find another brush, so it's fine.
I can't wait till you see this because I can see it in the camera and I'm dead.
I was gonna attempt eyeliner, but I feel like no.
I feel like I would go blind.
I might line your eyeball. Oh, mascara. Oh no.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little dangerous.
That's not mascara. Aha.
It was under the palette. Thought I would save you.
This is hers. If it was not, we would be using a mascara spoolie. Again.
God, this is so
Cross-contamination.
wet. Please don't stab me.
Okay. It's gonna be so gentle. It's gonna be like you're doing it. Oh God. Oh no, it's not.
I'm literally
I can't find eyelashes. I can't find them. I can't find them at all. Okay, we're gonna just, it's fine. I'm gonna give up because that's not,
Oh my God.
that's not at all how it was supposed to go. And then okay, for brows. Ah. Oh no. Okay.
Well, I think you can just draw them on because I think you got foundation over all of them.
I gotta draw them back on. I covered them up. Stroke, stroke, stroke. Natural hairs. Mm-hmm.
I can feel the mascara every time I blink.
Oh no. Oh no. I can't even. That's
Nope.
nope. Lips.
Lips, I guess we'll do lips real fast.
Oh.
Sorry. Do you need help? God. So much.
Now smack them together. Okay. She's done. It's a masterpiece.
Do you guys think I look so good? Like,
Oh, no.
I really like this side design. I think it just really brings out my eyes.
There's mascara right there.
I know, that's what I was like, that's not even close to my eyeball.
Naked Heat palette, guys. It's great.
It's beautiful colors.
Up here, it's good. What do your eyebrows look? The eyebrows are probably the best thing I did.
Yeah, it's okay though. You know.
I think it turned out great. It's perfect.
Yeah, so if you want to recreate this look, just don't, and you'll probably be good to go.
Yeah.
Thanks.
What not to do.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.